The dark, irregular shape of those exterior heights of Gallipoli. My thoughts of many. Gallipoli has been an infernal hothouse, a perfect hell on earth. I will never forget Gallipoli, and its memory will never be sacred to the Gallipoli.
This is amazing, guys. Hi, this is Lily. This is just amazing how, yes, it's so amazing how these guys are made, the artists, the work that's gone into it. Even they put in the mud and the hair, and look how realistic this is. Oh my God, this is amazing, guys. This is at Tepapa Museum in Wellington. These are amazing piece of art. These look so real, from their skin to their eyes to their faces. It's just amazing, just absolutely amazing. Amazing.
It was only about 1 hour when the Turks started to shell us with shred.
Look at that, guys. This is Tepapa Museum down in Wellington. You should come and see this. If you're out on holiday, visit the Tepapa Museum. It's amazing. These amazing statues, models, the likeness of it. It's really amazing. These artists or whoever created these, so amazing. Look at that. You need to see this. It's absolutely amazing. This is the Gallipoli War. These are wax figures, I think. You know how they do the Hollywood ones? Well, these are certainly, I think it's so awesome what they've done here. I didn't take videos of the other ones, I only took photos, but this one, there's 3 of them here, so I needed. Look at this. Look at his hand here. It's so real. Look at his hand. Oh, look at his face. Oh gosh. Everything in detail. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I can see the dark, irregular shape of those exterior heights of Gallipoli.
That is so awesome. I mean, so real.
Gallipoli has been an infernal hothouse, a perfect hell on earth.
So real, guys, so real. This is a must-see.
I will never forget Gallipoli,
Must come
and its
see
memory
this.
will never be sacred to the Gallipoli.
These wax.
Took charge of the gun and I
This
moved
is
up into
Lily.
position to feed the
All
bell.
her YouTube videos. Catch you
Shortly
again.
after he was out of action,
Catch you
shot
again.
from the wrist.